What's going on, guys? Just another update. I installed the titanium headers, I want to say about 300 miles ago. You can already see the color. And I'm gonna give you guys a quick cold start. So we have stage 1 Brentuning and titanium headers with the Akrapovic slip-on that the bike arrived with. And I still have inside, the decibel killer or whatever it's called. Let's give it a quick start and see what we have here. By the way, if you asked me about this one, this was an old quad lock like this that I just cut and I glued for the GoPro, and that's how I'm getting this view. Okay, so as you can see, the bike is cold.